Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Cell2Jack adapter. So, hi to everyone new here. My name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So, to confirm that the Cell2Jack is currently connected, I'm going to click on speakerphone. As you can see, it's ringing. And then let me get you a view to the Cell2Jack, right? And to confirm, as you can see that right there is the Cell2Jack connected right next to my Wi-Fi router. So in this video, I'm using a Panasonic home phone, but it really doesn't matter which phone you have it connected to because you can do a factory reset from any phone, but it has to be your home phone, not from like your cell phone. So let's just say you do like forget this device from Bluetooth settings, it's not going to factory reset. You want to grab the home phone or the base, whichever phone you have, and do the factory reset on here. So it's super easy. All you need to do to factory reset it is, so to do a factory reset, it's super easy. All you do is pick up your phone, your home phone, and click on speakerphone. It's going to do a dial tone, of course, the things that you're calling, but you're going to enter this quick pin. The pin is 82 number sign 83 number sign. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on the bottom so you can pause the video if you need extra time. So again, it's going to be 82 number sign 83 number sign to do a factory reset. When you put that in, you're going to hear a little tone on the home phone confirming that it has been factory resetted. And also you're going to hear on the Cell2Jack when I push speakerphone again, warning this phone is not connected because it's been erased. There's like no more phone connected. So let's go ahead and do this demonstration. So you're gonna do speakerphone. So 82 number, 83 number.
Power on. Warning. Phone is not connected.
So as you can see, you heard that little chime. It went like a little happy tone. And as you can see, it said power on. It rebooted the Cell2Jack. And now you hear that warning sign again.
Phone is not connected.
That is because now we're done. So let's just say it wasn't working right. So you did this factory reset. Now you want to repair it. So I'm going to do a quick little demonstration here on how to repair your Cell2Jack. So all you need to do is go on your home phone again and this time put # to start the setup process. So we're going to do speaker #
Pairing.
and then you're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and you're going to look for Cell2Jack right there. As you can see, Cell2Jack.
Connected.
And we're connected again. So now if we push speakerphone, you hear that dial tone again. So let's just say it wasn't working right. It was acting a little weird. This factory reset should help. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.